Not for sensitive spreadsheet users. Viewer discretion is advised. The following scenes are based on actual events, but names and locations have been changed to protect those involved. At the Agribank of Namibia, auditors found that its loan amount to the now defunct Uri Kubus abattoir changed from 7.9 million on one spreadsheet to 6.7 million on another, while the total arrears was decreased from a whopping 1.3 million to only 93,000. The Agribank is teetering on the edge of bankruptcy. Note to self, it's too easy to change a spreadsheet and it's hard to do version control. In the US, a Federal Energy Regulation Commission investigation found that a subsidiary of Dominion Resources Incorporated submitted the wrong week's gas storage figures in a certain month, leading to an artificial inflation of natural gas prices. The company had used the same computer file name for each week's storage balance spreadsheet report, making it easy for the wrong one to be sent. The cost of the error was estimated at $1 billion. Note to self, using Save As on a spreadsheet can be a costly business. A school in Britain faced a £50,000 shortfall because values in a budget spreadsheet had not been added up correctly. The problem was due to budget figures being entered as right-aligned text values rather than numbers. The text figures were not included within the sum calculation and rippled through the school's budget submission. Note to self, check every cell of every spreadsheet for numbers entered as text forever. Final note to self, in future, use spreadsheets for arranging my kids' party invite lists, cataloging my DVD collection, keeping my personal budget. Maybe. For everything else that deals with serious numbers, budgeting, forecasting, and analysis, use IBM Planning Analytics.